Well, good afternoon. Here is our agenda for Monday, October 19. I believe this link is in your classroom that will let you play this here. This is called GymKit. At least that's how I say it. But I can assign it's called homework in GymKit, but I can assign it to you and you can play this game, and it lets you earn money and learn some of the key vocab words and ideas while you play. So if you want to follow the link in the classroom, and then I think sign up or join with your Google account, that'll get you into the class, and then I can see how you're doing in GymKit. We did that today in class to study, so it's a lot of fun. We enjoy doing that. But that's what we did in class, was correct our study guide, fix any mistakes, add information if we wanted to. And then our test is tomorrow. The test will be done over the computer. And when I assign it to you, it'll be assigned throughout the day, and I'll have it close at the end of the day. When you start it, you'll have to keep the tab. It'll take away your other tabs, so just make sure that when you begin your test that you you might lose other work that you're doing on different forms, Google Forms. Otherwise, most everything will pop right back up when you're done taking that test. If you do have any questions, I probably corrected your test online and have returned it to you. So you can go ahead and take a look at those or that test to see how the study guide. I sent the study guide back to you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. I'll do my best to help you out. Same thing when you're taking the test. If you're not taking it at the time, that I'm in class, or you may have a question. Please be sure to, email would maybe be the best way to get in touch, or leave a private message in classroom, and I'll do my best to help you out ahead of time. So that's the plan for, this was today, our study guide. Tomorrow will be the test, and then we'll do a couple case studies into human rights issues around the world. So, I think that'll cover it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Have a great day.